Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's just a Tech, and today I'm going to share how can I use OneDrive in a computer system. Okay, first you have to know about the OneDrive. What is OneDrive? OneDrive is one of the cloud storage provided by the Microsoft. Okay, cloud storage system that is stored in the server. Okay, your data, your file system will back off or stored in the server, and you can access from any place, from anywhere, very easily, right? Just the Google Drive. Okay friends, and I'm going to share how can I use this cloud storage system OneDrive in a computer, mobile phone, very easily. Okay, first you have to go to this link. Just go to the Chrome, then after search OneDrive and click the first one. Then after you can find out here one download option. Right click and open it, and you can download OneDrive application for your computer, or you can download for your mobile phone. Okay, I'm click here, download for my computer system. Okay, it's downloading. OneDrive is just like a Google Drive, and it is very useful when you store your data in OneDrive. Then you can access your data files from anywhere, any places, from the remote places. You do not have to carry your laptop. Okay, yes, it is downloaded. I'm going to open it and just right click and run as administrator, and click as. Here is one notification, a newer version of OneDrive installed. Okay, in my computer OneDrive is already installed. Okay, if a computer there is not OneDrive, then after you can just download and install it. I have here OneDrive. I'm going to search here OneDrive. Yeah, here is OneDrive application is already installed in my computer system. Okay, and just right click and run as administrator and click as. Yes, now here is you are asking to set up a OneDrive. Okay, to set up you must have one Microsoft account. Okay, if you don't have Microsoft account, then after very simple, just create account. Here we are going to create one. Just create one, click there, and after just get a new email address. Then after here you can use your custom email address. Here I'm here using this tech one, and just next, and you have to create password here, your custom password. Just next, and choose your name here, your first name and last name. Just next, and you can choose your country and date of birth here. Then just next. Here we have to solve the puzzle. Okay, to confirm that you are not robot, just you have to move that objects as shown the hands direction. Okay, click submit, and again move the objects to the hand direction and submit, and do the same again to the other also. have to complete 5 process here, 5 steps. And complete 5 steps. Verification completed. Okay, now it is signing in. Now click the next. Yes friends, our Microsoft account has been created here. Now go to the start menu and go to setting and go to accounts again, and you can find out there email and account tabs. Yes friend, Microsoft account has been created, and just set up OneDrive. To set up OneDrive you must need Microsoft account. Okay, if you don't have Microsoft account, then I have one lesson how to create Microsoft account. You can follow that tutorial guide and you can create Microsoft account. Okay, here is my Microsoft account, and I'm going to sign this account through this. It's loading. Your OneDrive folder is here. You can change the location. Okay, you can select this drive also. This, okay, just select one set folder. Okay, just new folder. Then after next, and use this folder. Backup folder on this PC. Files will be backed up, protected, and available anywhere in OneDrive personal, even if you lose this device. Okay, you can back up your data. I'm going to choose here. I'll do later. And here is 0.0 GB or 5 GB portion will be used after backup. Okay, Microsoft has given 5 GB storage powers. Okay, in our cloud storage system. This is the free 5 GB storage. Okay, if you need more, then after you can buy it. I'm going to select it. I will do it later, and you can upgrade. I'm not going to upgrade. I'll just choose here, not now. Click next and next and next. You can get a mobile application from here. I'm going to choose later, and I'm choosing here. Open my OneDrive folder. Okay, it's open here, guys. Status. Friends, hence you can access OneDrive in the computer system. Okay, suppose if you want to upload one file in OneDrive. Okay, suppose I have here this photo, and I'm going to upload this in OneDrive. Just right click into OneDrive. It is available in OneDrive. It's there on OneDrive. Okay, like this you can share your file folder in OneDrive. Okay, then after you can view the online. You can view your file, whatever you have uploaded in OneDrive. Okay, you can find out. So click start. Next, you can find out my files. Under my files, just I have uploaded here one photo, and here is the photo. This is uploaded into the OneDrive. You can download this photo. Okay, friends. OneDrive is just like Google Drive. Okay, you can upload your important files, folders, whatever you need. Okay, you can upload that file folders in OneDrive. Then after you can access this file data wherever and whatever, wherever you want to access this data. Okay, You can access this data from anywhere, from the remote locations. You don't have to carry a laptop, okay, or neDrive. Okay, friends. And if you want to upgrade OneDrive, then after, here is the C plan and pricing. This is the free account, okay. That's why this Microsoft is giving us 5 GB storage cloud, and you can buy it. Okay, $99. There is $13. You can buy 100 GB cloud storage. $100 you can buy 1 GB cloud storage. Okay, like this you can buy. You can upgrade to many more cloud storage. Okay. You can find out your OneDrive file just in your My Computer. Then after you can find out here OneDrive Personal. Just click it, and here you can find out OneDrive. Okay. If you find out here is check mark, that is your file is uploaded in OneDrive. Okay. If not, the file will not upload it. Okay. I'm going to be online here. Suppose I'm going to create here one file access. Yes, now it started screen. That is, this file is uploaded in the online in cloud storage. I'm going to refresh it and open this folder. Yeah, here you can find out one access file. Okay, friends, hence you can use this cloud storage system in your computer, mobile phone to store your data, share your data. You can access data from anywhere. Okay, remotely you can access this data, and I think this is one of the very nice cloud. This is the one of the very best cloud storage system that you can access from your computer, mobile phone very easily. Okay, I hope you understand how to use OneDrive in computer system, and likewise you can download mobile app and you can use likewise as computer. And I hope you understand to use the OneDrive. Okay, friend, if you faced any problem, then let me know in the comment box, and thanks for watching my videos. See you in the next video.